So the map is up. That means one thing, World Embroidery Day is coming. Hi everyone, Sarah here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery. It's that time of the year when we turn the channel over to you for our Stitching Around the World video to celebrate World Embroidery Day. So if you haven't seen any of these videos yet, we have been doing them for quite a long time now, and there's a whole playlist of them. I'll put them up at the end of this video. Do go and check them out. They're really amazing. They get bigger and better every year, give you a really good idea of what's involved, and I do hope that you will join in with us. So all that you need to do is to send us in a little video. So something that you're working on, embroidery related. So either something you finished or something you're currently working on. It doesn't have to be finished. Tell us a little bit about it and share it with the embroidery community all around the world. So what we will do is we'll collect them all in from all over the world. We'll put them in one video. Jonathan will edit them together into one video, and that will go up on World Embroidery Day, which this year is Wednesday, the 30th of July. So we need to start collecting those videos now to give Jonathan time to edit them and put them together. So what we need from you is a short video, please, no more than about 2 minutes long. And if you want to be in the video, that will be absolutely great. So if you can use your front-facing cameras, if you're using your phone, you can put your front-facing camera on, you can show your piece of work, and you can talk to the phone and we can actually see you, which is really great. If you don't want to be in it, that's absolutely fine. You can use the back camera on the phone, you can point the phone at your embroidery and you can tell us about it that way. If you want more details on how to make your video, you can check out this video from last year. It's in a playlist that we'll put up at the end. There is detailed instructions on how to do it on your phone if you want to see that. There is also instructions on the website. We will link that page in the description below this video as well. If you're not sure how to make it, those are 2 resources you can use that will give you much more information on that process. So on your video, do tell us where you are in the world, tell us your country and roughly where you are in your country. We had lots of participants last year. We had 45 participants last year from 17 different countries. So let's see if we can go even better this year and go twice around the world. That anyone can join in with this. If you've been in our videos before, we would love to see you again. Show us what you're working on currently. We've got a few regulars now. It's really nice to catch up with you and see what you're working on. But if you're new and you have never joined in this project or you've just started your stitching journey, do think about joining in as well. We would love to see what you're doing. Everybody has to start somewhere, and it's really nice to see people starting their journeys and to see what you're making. So do join in with this project as well. Doesn't matter what you think of your piece or where you're at with your piece, do share it with us and join in this community. Okay, let's just talk about some practical stuff, please, about the videos. So there will be a link for you to send them to us. You need to send them to this link so we can download them. That link will be on the Stitching Around the World page on the website. So again, that will be in the description below this video as well. And I just want to emphasize again, 1 to 2 minutes long, please. Try and keep it concise as you can so we can fit lots of videos in. Really, really important is to put your phone in landscape format. That's that way, please, and not that way. That way. This is the format of YouTube. It works much better that way. If you do them that way, Jonathan has to do loads of fiddling to fit them in. So please try and do that. If you've got your phone flip on, make sure your phone is flipped to that way as well. So even if you're that way, it will record that way. So that bit's really important. Please try and do them in landscape format. Just to mention about music as well, please don't have any music playing in the background or don't edit any music into it yourself. YouTube is quite hot on copyright and we don't want to get a copyright strike because they'll take the video down. So please no music at all in your videos. If you want to link to an Instagram page or a website or something like that, we're absolutely happy to do that. Again, please don't do it in the video. We need to verify the links. There's an email address that you can email me on the Stitching Around the World page on the website. So you can send me your links there, your social media links there, and we will put those in underneath the video. We'll give everybody an opportunity to share their social media with everybody, but please not in the videos. Send that to me separately. So this project is all about uniting people around the world through the art of embroidery. So please keep your videos about that. Keep it about the celebration of embroidery. Any video that contains any other message will not be included, I'm afraid. So please keep it all about celebration of embroidery. So I know better than most people how hard it is to sit here and make a video. So it isn't very easy.
As you can see.
2 years running.
2 years running. Let's try again.
So I know better than anyone how difficult it is to sit in front of the camera and talk to it. So just pretend that you're talking to a friend and you're telling them about your project, and don't forget to smile. It makes it much more enjoyable and much easier to do. So the deadline to get your videos to us, please, is Friday the 25th of July 2025. That gives Jonathan those few extra days just to make sure he's got everything together for the compilation video, which will go up on the channel on World Embroidery Day, which is Wednesday the 30th of July. And see if you can beat Jane from Mini Water in Australia. Hi Jane. Jane is always super quick out the blocks to get her videos to us. She's joined in every year. It's absolutely fantastic. So we really look forward to seeing all of your videos come in and seeing what you're making. So the last few years we have done a premiere viewing of the video, which is always a lot of fun. So we can all basically sit down and watch it together when it goes up on the channel. You get a little chat function at the side and we can all have a little chat to each other and we can talk about the embroidery. So we will do that again this year. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, click the notification bell and select all, and that will give you notifications of when a new video goes up, and it will tell you when that video has been scheduled. It will tell you ahead of time and it will do a countdown so that you won't miss that and you can join in with the fun. I do apologise now to those of you who will miss this due to time differences. I just can't work it out that you can all join in wherever you are in the world. So if anybody's got any ideas how to get around that, do let me know. So I do apologise if you miss out on this, but the video will be up for everybody to watch from then on. So do go and check it out and look at all the amazing pieces that are being shown. So it's over to you, everybody. Don't forget, all the information you need is on the website. We will link that in the description below this video. It's all there for you to go and check out to see how to join in with this project. And if you want to see previous year's ones, you can check out the whole playlist here, get some ideas on how other people have done it and what you need to do. And we really look forward to seeing what you're all making and look forward to those videos coming in.